What is up, YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. And for this special episode, we're going to do an unboxing and review of this sneaker from Converse from the Art of Champion pack. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a bunch of hyper laces as well as Rems cleaning solutions to 2 lucky subscribers the moment we hit 20,000 subscribers. Subscribe now, follow me on Instagram. The Art of Champion collection or the Art of Champion pack from Nike and Converse consists of 16 sneakers. Now that's supposed to represent the 16 wins that the team needs to be able to do or commit or to hit to be able to win postseason like a championship. Now, this collection features 16 sneakers, 14 of which are related to like 14 iconic players in the game, while the other 2, one is like literally the gold trophy that you guys see from the NBA, and the last one is a mystery sneaker that will be tied to this entire season. I have here with me one of those sneakers. This is the one from Converse, Star Player Ox Intangibles. Let's take a look at the box. As you guys can see here, it has 16 marks or notches to signify the 16 wins that you need to be able to win postseason. Now you have all the other information that you usually get with the sneaker from Converse. Usually comes in this smaller box, and then that's pretty much it. So let's pop it open. As you guys see, there is a card that comes with it that explains the entire collection, the rationale behind it, the story behind it as well. Apart from that, you just have the wrapper and then you get into the sneakers. This sneaker is actually inspired by Wes Unseld. He was swept twice. I think it was 1971 and 1975 in the finals, but he was able to win the game for his team come 1978 by nailing 2 free throws to be able to win against the Sonics. He eventually became the MVP. So what's so special about this sneaker? So as you guys can see, they used the Converse Star Player Ox silhouette for this particular pick. Now what they did was they really put in a lot of visual elements and accents to be able to tie it to the Art of Champion pack. The most notable one, and I'm not sure if you're supposed to wear this or on the shoe, or if you're supposed to take it out as a keychain, you actually have the trophy, icon from the NBA here, like a keychain at the side of the shoe. Now, if you take a look at the accents that I was talking about, and this before we go to like the usual elements you see on the shoe, you have 1978 on like a gold plate here inscribed at the bottom of the shoe. You have the 16 marks that was similar to the box at the edge of the midsole over there. So you can see the notches over there. Now, if you go up to the shoe, you actually have the marking as well at the tongue tab. On the right shoe, it does say 16 over here, and you do have the date, 1978, and intangibles at the back of the tongue tab. Really nice touch, by the way, that I appreciated with the shoe is how they did the Converse logo at the back. As you guys can see there, it's in blue and in gold, and it just looks so dope and so kick-ass. If you go to the insole, one shoe has again those 16 notches to symbolize the 16 wins that you need, and on the other side of the shoe, it just says the association. They use primarily a canvas material for the upper of the sneaker, but they did use some sort of leather accents for the Converse star and that accent that you see over here on the side, which is also the same material that they use for the back of the sneaker, which has the Converse logo. Apart from that, it's dominantly your typical Converse sneaker with that white sole and that rubber outsole. On feet, it is comfortable. It is what you can expect from a Converse sneaker like this one. It's not the most comfortable shoe that you will ever have, especially if you're used and spoiled to like Boost, React, and all of those latest technologies out there. But if you need a beater that represents a special moment in the NBA, then you might want to check this sneaker out. Do I recommend the Star Player Ox Intangibles Converse from the Art of Champion pack? If you were to buy this in the US, the answer is a resounding yes, because in the US, this just sells for $75. That's less than 5,000 pesos. Here in the Philippines, for some insane reason, this was being sold for over 7,500 pesos, which made it a little bit too high if you ask me for a sneaker of this quality. You could have easily gotten it in the States again for $75. It just leaves a bad taste in the mouth, paying such an amount, a much higher amount here in the Philippines for this pair. That said, I wouldn't recommend it if you were buying it here in the Philippines, but if you had the chance, or if you have the chance to be able to buy it abroad at that price, at the SRP of $75, then go ahead, knock yourselves out. It's a great Converse sneaker. I really don't see the point of paying like 7,500 pesos for this pair. I mean, it does represent a lot of basketball history and it does look hella fire. But at the end of the day, the quality, the overall quality and the build really, and especially the fact that this is being sold for $75 outside this country, just makes it so crazy to buy it at almost twice the price here in the Philippines. So that's it for this review. I am excited to see what that last sneaker is. That will be part of the Art of Champion pack. So I will be watching out for that, and hopefully if it's nice, we might just end up copying it. That's it for now. Peace. God bless.